Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to rename a file on your file manager. First, open your file manager app on your phone. Navigate to the folder where your file is located. Once you find the file you want to rename, long press on it. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the option that says Rename or something similar and tap on it. Now you'll see a box where you can type in the new name for your file. Enter the name you want. Then tap on OK or Save to confirm. Your file will now have the new name you've chosen. That's it for this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.